And I'll get you a little more light down there by opening up my trap door. This is how we get downstairs to access the machinery. So we got our 7-foot blade. It attaches to a wooden shaft. That wooden shaft goes down to a steel wheel. That steel wheel hooks into a big wooden wheel with a leather belt on it. The leather belt hooks into the turbine and gives us the power to cut our saw. And then directly below us we have a rocker arm that goes up and down, which drives that blade up and down to give us our sawing action. Now what I'm going to do, you can just wait right here. I'm going to get it moving so you can actually see it in action. But before I cut, I'll have to push the grate back because sometimes we'll have debris flying up. We don't want anybody getting sawdust in the face or anything like that. So in order to get it going, we got to get the water flowing, and that's what this wheel's for. Once we start turning this wheel, it opens up doors on the sides of the turbine to allow water flow. The more water flow we have, the more speed we get out of the saw. Once it gets going, we can increase the speed, which increases the flow of the water, it increases